Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My memory card went wacko and I have no idea if it filmed my intro or not. So, welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing a chit chat, get ready with me, and I'm going to show you how to do this cute little smoky eye. I hope you enjoy it and let's just get into it. Don't even talk about my eyebrows. I know I need to get them done. Okay. So in my last video, I was talking about season 2 of 13 Reasons Why. And I'm done with it, obviously, because that's been like a month ago. But I'm done with it, and I have some thoughts. So if you have not finished it, or if you ain't even started it, just like mute me real quick, because it's finna get a little spoily in here. Clay. My baby Clay, why didn't you put the gun in the car? That doesn't make any sense why he would just stand there and wait for the police to come while he's just holding the gun. Okay, I'm gonna go in with burnt orange in the Soft Glam palette, the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm just gonna throw that in my crease. But yeah, like what the hell? Like why would he just stand there? Oh, that pissed me off. I can't. Like, is he stupid? He didn't even run. Like, why didn't he get in the car? Like, why? Those writers really think we're stupid. Like, I'm just supposed to believe that anybody would just stand there holding the gun. You're wrong, because I'm not an idiot, and I know that any person on planet Earth would protect themselves and not just stand there and hold the gun. Like, what the hell are you even doing? TV, so dramatic. I'm gonna go in with Rustic right here. It's like medium neutral brown. Throw that on my outer crease. But anyway, that's just my 2 cents. Also, I saw Sam Smith earlier this week. Definitely was a top 3 concert for me, and I go to a lot of concerts, so like that's saying something. But seriously, the kid puts on a show. He is absolutely unreal. His voice, I can't even deal with it. I'm like, okay, but can you share this talent? Because some people like me, we don't have it. So, like, stop being selfish. I'm gonna go in with this small Luxie 237 blending brush and go in with Cypress Umber right here. It's deep neutral brown. It's like one of my favorite dark brown shadows. It's also in the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just deepening the outer corners. Anyway, so, yeah, the next concert that we're going to is Jay-Z and Beyonce in August, so next month. Yeah, so it's August 26th. It's a Sunday. I know they're coming to Atlanta that Saturday and Sunday, but we did the Sunday show. And I have been saving up for a while from my makeup business, and I said, girl, it's time to treat yourself. So that's exactly what I did, and we are on the 5th row. If sweat did get in my mouth, I think that maybe I would get like some sort of superpower or something. Like I would just all of a sudden be a better human. Y'all think I'm playing? I'm gonna be like, oh, these eyeshadows blend so easy. Also, now that my sister finally knows that we're freaking going to Jamaica, I can talk about it. Hallelujah. So we're going to Jamaica in November. Her 30th birthday is in October. So we surprised her with a trip. We went ahead and told her because She has a fear of flying, so she needs some months. She needs some time to process the fact that she's gonna get on a plane, which is fine because I mean I'm not the biggest fan of flying. So yeah, we told her when we were visiting my dad on St. Simon's over 4th of July. And so now I can finally talk about it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Morphe Y23. It's like an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna go into Noir, which is this matte, rich black, honey. And I'm just gonna go take that on the very outer edge and just kind of flick it in. So I'm laying it down right here and flicking it in, honey. I have no energy. I just woke up. I don't have coffee. I didn't take a caffeine pill. So I'm just like not high energy right now. And I don't know what to talk about. What should I talk about? If only I was like somebody who people cared about, so I could like just like hop on to Instagram and tell people to ask me questions. But if I did that, then I would get one question in like 5 hours. So I'm just going in and blending that a little further. I'm just gonna text my best friend group and say, ask me questions for a video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like pop on to Twitter really quick and see what like my fans are asking me. There must be like a glitch in the Wi-Fi because nothing's coming through. Blend that out. And it doesn't really matter what this part is looking like right now because we're gonna cover that anyway. Anyway. Girl, I'm looking crazy right now. Okay, I know what I can tell y'all about. So I am a nanny during the week, and on Fridays we have play dates with my little nanny kid's little BFF. So we went to a hibachi grill place for lunch after the play date. And this man, chef, was so odd. So first, we sit down, and I'm already stressed out because we're at a hibachi grill with 3 toddlers, if you can imagine that environment. I'm just going in with a concealer to do like a half cut crease. I'm not trying to go crazy, and I'm not being too precise. Just gonna pat that out with my finger. So back to the hibachi man. Okay, like this man, I wasn't even hardly paying attention to him. I was stressed out from the kids. I'm taking a Stila eyeshadow and Kitten. Listen, we were with this man for like an hour and a half, so the amount of things that he said were just, there was too much to go into, but I will share my favorite thing that he said, which was, yeah, I would never pay for a nanny. Like, I would never let my kid have a nanny because you don't know what those people are teaching your kids, and you don't know what they're doing to your kids, and you don't know the kind of things that they're telling your kids. I just spit. But so like his whole spiel got done, and Morgan was like, yeah, we're like actually their nannies. So, and he was like, yeah, like, you guys are super rare. Like, good nannies don't exist like you guys. Like, you guys are rare. And Morgan was like, well, do you have kids? And he was like, no. What? So you're just talking about nannies like you know anything at all and you don't even have kids? What? So I was just laughing, eating my rice, because that was hilarious. Also, like, why would you just talk to people like that, not even knowing if they are, like, what makes you think that we're their parents? Maybe he thinks nannies aren't cool and they don't take their kids to get hibachi. Okay, so we're a little uneven with our cut crease, but I think that we'll survive. And I'm just gonna take this with nothing on it and just blend out the edges. Okay, so we have another question. What is your favorite thing about your friend Garrett? My favorite thing about Garrett is he drives really well. He never texts and drives. He never swerves. And yeah, that's my favorite part, is he's such a good driver that he like really teaches me things about the road. That's how good of a driver he is. So that's my favorite thing. Okay, but seriously, me and Garrett used to live together. And literally all we would do is just, I'm not repeating the question, I just got asked. All we would do is just sit and laugh and stay up literally all night. This was in college. Stay up all night. I can't even, we're just weirdos, okay? Okay, so this side is looking a lot more blended than this side, so it's about to piss me off. All right, I'm going back in with like a medium brown shade from the palette and just trying to blend out this. This side's looking a lot more blended than this side, at least in person. I don't know about on camera, but in person it is. These bitches are trying it. They're really trying it with these questions. So they asked me about my first kiss, and I don't even remember it, so. Hey Brows, how you doing, girl? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Pretty Vulgar, the ink gel eyeliner, and then with an Anastasia. It doesn't have anything on it, so just their little liner brush. Gonna dip in. I just want to punch myself in the face every time I sing what I'm saying. Best brow filler pencil and why? Definitely the Anastasia Brow Wiz. That's just my opinion. Some people like the brow definer better, which is the thicker of the two. The Brow Wiz has the thinner tip, and the formula on it is just the best because it's not too creamy, but it's not too stiff. It's that perfect amount of pull to where you can get a really good filled in brow that also looks pretty natural if you wanted it to be. Whoa, I just had a moment where I had no idea what day it was, and I was like, am I supposed to be at work? Girl, these wings ain't even. I hate winged liner, but I do it almost every day. I have to step away. Step away from the winged liner. Okay, while these are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and concealer, and I'll be back to finish off the face. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lightly set my face with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm taking the Aesthetica P12 brush and just putting some in the top. I'm just lightly going over everything. So I'm going in with the Milani Baked Bronzer in Glow. I'm taking a Morphe Y4 brush. I'm just hitting the perimeters of my face to bronze everything up. Bring a little bit of life back in my face with these heavy eyes. Now going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Now I'm taking the Note blush in Desert Rose. Ooh, pigmented! Ah! Okay, so now that'll look like Boo Boo the Fool. We're gonna go back in with that powder brush and just blend that out. Take me down to the Paradise City. And now I am going to highlight with the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek and Wisp. I love highlight on the apples of my cheek. I know some people don't like that, but I do because I have dry skin, so anytime I can look a little dewy, a little moisturized, I'm definitely here for that. Now I'm gonna start on my lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with a medium brown shade and get that just underneath my eye. And with this same brush, I'm gonna go in to that deep brown shade and get right up on my lash line. Going in with Colourpop's eyeliner in Mr. Bing. I'm just keeping that on the outer edge. MAC Velvet Teddy. This is the perfect nude lip, especially with a smoky eye. Okay, so at some point my memory card went out and I have no idea when, but yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time with this chit chat type of video. Hope you feel inspired by this look, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.